Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard social class video session, lesson 8, food. In today's session we are going to learn about food grains. In this topic we learn about the cereals. Paddy, ragi, kambu, millet, maize and wheat are called cereals. Let us go into the session. In this session we are going to learn lesson 8, food, topic, cereals or food grains. Today we are going to learn about what is food grain. Food grains are small and dry seeds that are cultivated for the human and animal consumption, which means they are used as food. They have a hard layer and are extremely good for health. There are variety of food grains available in the market like cereals, pulses, etc. In this session, we are going to learn about the cereals. Cereals are the most important food crops cultivated for the consumption of living beings. Rice, wheat, and millet are some of the common cereals. They are extremely wholesome and nutritious. Rice is mainly seen as a comfort food of a majority population of the country. It is usually available in a variety of different types based on the size, thickness, flavor, etc. In many states, most of the food items are prepared using rice like idli, dosa, etc. Wheat is also an important and nutritious food crop. It is consumed all over the country in huge quantities. It is used to make chapati, bread, etc. Next we are going to learn about what is millets. Millets are one of the oldest foods known to humans. They are known to have high nutritional value. Ragi is very rich in calcium, which immensely help in the formation of bones and teeth. It is also called as finger millet because of the finger-like branches on the plants. Another form of millet is the pearl millet, having grains which look like pearls. It's also called as kambu. India is known to be one of the biggest producer of kambu. Another ancient food grain of our country is foxtail millet or thinai. Ragi is called finger millet. Kambu is called pearl millet. Thinai is called foxtail millet. These millets are used to prepare a lot of food items like adai, thinai biryani, ragi flour balls, etc. Do you know, children, whole grain gruel or sattu maavu is a mixture of both grains and cereals in a semi-liquid form. It is a highly nutritious meal. It tastes good when jaggery is added to it. This is paddy. Paddy, also called rice paddy, small level flooded field used to cultivate rice in southern and eastern Asia. What is the difference between paddy and rice? Paddy is the name of the crop and rice or the grains obtained from paddy. When the husk is removed from paddy, rice is obtained. So the outer covering of a rice is a husk. Bajra refers to the edible seeds of a pearl millet. Jowar, called in English as sorghum. Do you know, children, the main food of South Indian is rice. The main food of North Indian is wheat. Cereals are nutritionally important source of protein, iron, vitamin B complex, vitamin E, carbohydrates, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine, fiber, and traces of minerals important for humans and animals. Whole grain cereals and foods can reduce the risk of developing certain diseases, including heart disease, colon cancer, diabetes, and diverticular disease. Common cereal foods include bread, cereals, rice, wheat, etc. I hope you got clear information about cereals. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.